everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing May's Allure Beauty Box unboxing. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you like this video. Also, if you would like to follow my vlog channel, that is linked down below, as well as the link to me and Greg's movie review channel and the link to Greg's podcast channel if you're into that. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. So let's get into the video. Okay, so for those of you who are new, this is how the box comes, and then when you open it, this is how it looks on the inside. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is a gift card to HelloFresh. It's a $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries. So that's pretty awesome. And this month's bag is orange, which is pretty cool. I've been giving these to my daughter to put her little trinket stuff in, and also for when she's going overnight places, she can put her toiletries and stuff in there. So that's really convenient. So what we have here is Natural Glowing Skin by Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity. Not quite sure I need a self tanner, but it's good to have it, I guess. Then we have Allure by Jean Co. or Jean Co. It's Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. So you have that. Don't mind the hospital tag. I'm fine. I just had to go for a CAT scan today, and I forgot to take the dang thing off before I started recording. So, yeah, this is Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow. St. Bart's, and it says Model Co. on it. The writing is very small, but there's that. So let's open it and see what it looks like. So I'm going to do a little swatch. Not bad. Next we have Laritza Cosmetics Lip Gloss. And it's a pretty color, liking the color. Nice. I love it because it matches my skin, and that's perfect. Like I said before, I don't like things that are all, ooh, look at me, I'm glowing over here. I just like subtle things for my skin tone. That's just my personal preference. This is Laneige. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I think it's Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. I know some of you out there that may know how to pronounce these names better than me, because as you all know, I am not a beauty person. I want to be, but I'm just not. Sorry. So this is what the bottle looks like. This is, like I said, Water Bank Moisture Cream. So I'm going to smell it because you guys know I smell everything. Nice smell to it. This will come in handy. I love these bags, guys, because it's only $10 and you get all these great products. So I love it. It's worth the 10 bucks. Oh, I took it out the box before I said what it was. This is Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. So that's the box, and here's the little container. Really pretty. You just kind of twist that off. Smells nice. So that is it for this bag, guys, or box. Like I said, I really love all the products that I get. I do use them. I haven't used like all of them. Of course, I don't need the tan, the self tan. I do get a little pale, but I don't get pale to the point where it bothers me to where I need to tan or use a self tan. But that would be great for people who do get tanned. So yeah, like I said before, these boxes are only $10 a month, and it's really a decent price for what you get in these boxes. Like I said, I'm no beauty person, but I know a lot of the stuff that you get in the Allure beauty boxes can be expensive if you purchase them on your own. So that is it for today, guys. I will see you on Thursday. I want to apologize for it being a day late, this video being a day late, but I did record it yesterday. I was feeling kind of wonky yesterday. There was no lighting, the background was awful. I, you know, edited the video, I uploaded it, and then I was like, this is not going live. This is not going live because this is crap, and I don't want to give you guys crap. So that's why this video is a day late. So I'm sorry. Again, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, share it out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers, so we can get into doing that giveaway. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram. If you would like to check out my vlog channel, movie review channel, and my husband's podcast channel, all of that is linked below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!